This video will show you how to install one of our larger decals. Here we have one of our 18-inch wide FAFL flag decals. I chose this decal in particular to install because it's in particularly rough shape. If you notice here, the backing is starting to separate from the vinyl. This is called tenting, and it should not affect the performance of your decal. You should be able to still install this decal to be 100% flat and smooth. I'm going to be installing this decal onto a regular glass surface. I've already cleaned this surface. You can use Windex or alcohol to clean the surface, but you do want to remove all residue from the installation surface. If you don't, it could cause early adhesive failure. Again, I chose this decal because it was in particularly rough shape. If your decal has spots that look like this, do not panic. There's no damage done to the decal. If you turn it around, you might see something similar, but these are not creases. These are simply areas where the backing and the film have separated. Once you remove the film from the backing, the film itself will be completely undamaged. You'll be able to apply this to any clean and smooth surface and have it look 100% flat and smooth. As you can see when I get zoomed in here, all of those spots that we're lifting installed beautifully, flat and smooth.